In this video, I will show how to set up an AI configuration in WriteBackExtreme, which for example can be used in SuperTables to do generative fill or summaries. To use this, we need a WriteBackExtreme version 6.0 environment. When you do not have a WriteBackExtreme environment yet, you can go to our portal and request a free trial. The configuration of AI in WriteBackExtreme has two steps. The first one is connecting to a model of your provider, and the second one is connect to the agent to the model it needs to use. Let's create a connection to the provider. As you can see, we have three built-in providers, which is OpenAI, Anthropic Cloud, and Azure OpenAI. And we also have a custom option that needs to be OpenAI compatible API. For this example, let's use Anthropic Cloud. So give it a name, and when we paste in our API key, it will load the models that are available for this provider. Let's use Cloud Sonnet for now. And here we have some options like the temperature, which is the amount of creativity it needs to use. And let's go to the second step, which is the validation. And it says connection success. That's good. Let's go to the agents. So here we have two predefined agents, which is generative fill and summaries and highlights. So let's go to summaries first. In the agent builder, we define blocks which each represents a task. So here we have the rows input from input tables. You could have a knowledge booster, which is an optional FAQ or document just to provide extra context. Then we have the AI part, and then the last step will be the return summary to SuperTables. So in the summarized rows, when we double click on it, we can set the AI connection. So this will be the provider that handles the AI request. Let's save the changes. And now let's also do the same for generative fill. And here, as we see, we have more steps in generative fill. And we also have the option to use two AI providers. So, for example, for the sample values, you can set up an AI connection to cloud. And for example, when you have the full fill, you can also let another AI agent handle that. So let's save changes there. Okay, that's it for this video. We have a separate video where we show the configuration steps in SuperTables. We will link them in the description. See you next time.